Alright guys, so we're out here with these mill raiders. Just joined the group, and it's just a group of people that go around raiding in the Woodland Hills area, and they've been raiding since the morning. There's already a bunch of people here for this raid. We got 6 minutes left for this raid, and hold on, let me see. Oh, there you go. Yeah, 6 minutes left for this raid. Everyone's trying to do this raid real quick, and they're battling the gym. I was trying to battle it real quick, but they kicked us out. It was only 3, but now there's like a full team in there right now. Oh, yep, see, everyone's trying to get this gym real quick. Incubate the eggs. We finally got 9 10K eggs, so we're gonna incubate all of them. Hopefully they all hatch soon. Alright, so there you go. Hopefully they all hatch soon. Sorry, my voice is a little weird. I had a concert yesterday, singing like crazy, lost my voice, but there you go. So we finished the first one, caught it, meeting up for the second one. They got like 3 more lined up too.
Like, how do they still have a full head? Like, one fistful of like half of each other for so long. And I'm like, what are you doing? Why are you?
Alright, we out here, 3rd raid. We got people across the street. Got people right there. Raid number 3 in like 30 minutes, I think. I don't know. Oops. So we just got here at our 4th raid. After this raid, we would have gotten 160 experience. Yeah, 4 times 4 is 16. So I mean, one more, and that's 200 experience, 200,000 experience for the day. So that's us at level 37. No. Level 40, 38, 40, 40, 40, 40. That's it. No.
All those people here.
40. Dude, this raid group is crazy.
Yo, what's the next raid day?
And we're watching.
Alright, so there's another group of 10 right here.
So
This is the fifth raid. So if it's 40,000 times 5, that's after this it'd be 200,000 experience. We got a big group right here. My chauffeur had to go find parking somewhere. But yeah, 5th raid of the day, and it's only been like an hour and a half, I think. Not too bad. And woo! 40, 29, 33, 40, 40, 40, 37, 39, 37. Let's get it. Alright, so this is our 6th raid? Last count. 6th raid. This is our first EX eligible gym. So here we go. Scroll.
Can we just jump in and leave them? Is that how you do it? Can we jump you in?
This is our 6th raid, Maria?
I don't know.
6th or 7th raid. Oh shit, this is our 7th or 8th raid? Dude, I lost count. Seriously, I lost count. We're being split up.
If you're Instinct, you can come over here too.
Last one for the day.
Valor Instinct over here.
Killing it right in front of the movies. In your group? 6 right now? Oh, but they're all like level 40s and stuff, right? Level 40, level
No.
3 level 40s. I don't know. You might be able to do it. I believe in you. Alright, well that does it for today. Appreciate you guys.
Oh my.
We're done for the day, man. Appreciate the meal group.
See ya.
See you guys next time. Peace.
Oh.
Alright guys, so this is what we caught so far. 7 of them, with our highest one being 1911. I think we only didn't catch one. One of them ran away, so I think we did eight raids in total. But our ratio is really good. Oh yeah, on my second account I have like 680 items out of 500 because it's a lower level account. So I don't know, I gotta fix that before community day because I do. Alright, so we go here to our Latias and 13 for 12, which is not bad at all. We are almost 100%. 13, 12. Only one got away out of 13 raids, which is great. And so we did 8, and 8 times 4 is 32. Was that 320? 320 experience in just one day. Like they started since the morning. We started kind of late in the afternoon. We're almost gonna level up to, let's see, we need about 9,000 more. So if we do one more raid, we can level up. We need 9,000 more, and then we go to level 38. We got a bunch of rare candies. I used up all my rare candies, and just today we were able to get 38 rare candies and a bunch of other stuff. Let's see how my Stardust is looking right now. 840. That's not bad. So we got like 40,000 around just today, and that's pretty much it. Let me try and check this real quick. Right now we are gonna go to the mall, hit up my cousin because we're gonna get some new kicks because my kicks got destroyed after yesterday's show. You can see right there. And then we're gonna go to GameStop. We're gonna buy a battle box, that battle kit, and hopefully they give us that promo Zygarde card. So that's where we're going right now. Let's go. Alright, so we're here at the Northridge Mall, and there's a raid that's going to start in 3 minutes. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it. I don't know how many people are raiding right now, but I mean, we're drifting away. Great. We're going to try to do it, and then we're going to go try to get some shoes. But yep. Alright, so it turns out there's only like 2 people here, plus us 2, that's 4, plus my second account is at a really weak level. I really don't think we're going to be able to do it, so we're going to have to pass on this one. And they just left, so, well, next one.